to Central Park on board the Harmony of the Seas. Central Park, where they have birds chirping, and we're going to make our dinner reservations. Central Park 150. In Central Park, on board the Harmony of the Seas, there she is. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Oh yeah. All right, Central Park, Harmony of the Seas.
We made our dinner reservations.
Dinner reservations are already done. So we have anniversary dinner is at the Park Plaza here, right there. And then we're going to go to Jamie's Italian one night and Wonderland one night. Trisha's trying out this margarita right here, just having gotten on board.
And it's hot.
With the suite holders. And this is Central Park. You've heard a lot about it. Now you've seen it. A little bit of maintenance going on right there. Got to keep the ship running all the way to Honduras and back. Okay, we're going into Central Park on the Harmony of the Seas. Our restaurant tonight is 150 Central Park.
You can hear the crickets. The crickets.
Joggers in Central Park. The Trellis Bar in Central Park. On board the Harmony of the Seas. The Park Cafe in Central Park on board the Harmony of the Seas. Jamie's Italian Grill. Vintage in Central Park on board the Harmony of the Seas.